Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make PDF of photo in mobile. Now I'm showing a very simple method. This method not need to any apps. So first of all, open Google search option. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Search here to I love PDF. Select this option JPG to PNG, or you can select any option. Select your JPG image. Tap on to convert to PDF. So finally click on to download PDF, then successfully download this PDF in your gallery. So that's how you can do it.